Welcome to the future of farming. Agriculture has come a long way, and today we're taking a look at 5 futuristic machines that are taking farming to the next level. From robotic apple harvesters to groundbreaking tractors, these machines are changing the game. Let's dive in. The yearly Makina Compress 120 is a state-of-the-art agricultural baler designed to maximize efficiency in crop baling operations. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this baler excels in compressing large amounts of crops such as hay, straw, and corn stalks into perfectly uniform and compact bales, optimizing both time and storage space. One of its standout features is its high-speed compression system, which ensures that bales are formed faster without compromising on quality. The Compress 120 can be adjusted to produce different bale sizes, allowing farmers to customize the output based on their specific needs, whether for transport, storage, or sale. This baler is built with durability in mind, constructed from heavy-duty materials that ensure longevity and reduce the need for frequent maintenance. The Compress 120 is designed for long operational hours, offering high reliability during peak harvest seasons. The machine also comes with an advanced control system, enabling farmers to monitor performance and adjust settings in real time for maximum productivity. This level of automation significantly reduces manual labor, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in the baling process. Overall, the yearly Makina Compress 120 represents a significant leap forward in agricultural technology, providing farmers with the tools they need to increase productivity, reduce waste, and optimize their operations in today's fast-paced farming landscape. Meet the John Deere AR4 a cutting-edge 4-track tractor that's taking farming to the next level. This powerhouse is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize soil disturbance, all while delivering incredible performance in the field. The 4-track design of the AR4 ensures that you can work hard without compromising your soil's health. By evenly distributing weight, it reduces soil compaction, meaning better crop yields and healthier fields in the long run. At the heart of this beast is a 9.0-liter, 6-cylinder John Deere-built engine, pushing out an impressive 370 horsepower, with an extra boost of 35 horsepower from its intelligent power management system. Whether you're plowing, planting, or pulling, the AR4 delivers top-tier power and efficiency. And when it comes to getting the job done, you have options. With multiple transmission choices, you can always count on maximum efficiency and performance, no matter what terrain you're working on. Long days in the field just got more comfortable with the new, bigger cab. It's designed with the operator in mind, offering unmatched comfort and visibility, so you can stay productive from sunrise to sunset. So if you're ready to take your farming game to the next level, the John Deere AR4 is your perfect partner. Power, precision, and performance, all in one. The toughest tasks in the orchard just got a lot easier, thanks to the robotic apple harvester. This incredible machine is designed to fit seamlessly into current orchard operations, ensuring zero disruptions to your harvest. The robotic arm gently twists and pulls an apple off a branch, then places it into a bin. The movement is smooth, fast, and precise. With a gentle twist and pull, the robotic apple harvester picks apples without causing damage. Its wide range of motion and fast operation allow it to harvest rows 9 to 12 feet wide with ease. The machine carefully moves through a row of trees, avoiding branches and other obstacles effortlessly. And don't worry about tight spaces. This harvester safely navigates down orchard rows, avoiding trees, branches, and other objects. Not only is it efficient in the field, but it's also fuel efficient and lightweight, allowing it to work for hours without needing to refuel. The robotic arms scan the trees, identifying apples based on color and size, and selecting only the ones that meet the desired specs. With advanced scanning technology, the harvester quickly identifies apples that meet your color and size specifications, ensuring only the best fruit is picked. Each arm is equipped with specialized suction cup grippers that gently, yet quickly, pick apples and transfer them to standard bins without bruising the fruit. Bins are quickly filled with perfectly picked apples as the harvester continues its work. The Ploeger AR4 BX potato harvester represents decades of expertise in mechanized harvest solutions, designed to optimize the efficiency and effectiveness of root crop harvesting. With a focus on innovation and performance, this harvester boasts a road and field position cabin, facilitating seamless transport between locations while ensuring operator comfort and visibility. Equipped with an automatic height control and steering system for the halm topper and intake unit, it adapts effortlessly to varying field conditions. The Ploeger is renowned for its unequaled sieving capacity, minimizing any narrowing down or obstacles during operation. This design ensures that harvested potatoes are handled gently, reducing damage and maximizing yield. To further enhance performance, a wide range of cleaning modules is available, enabling customization to meet specific harvesting needs. This machine prioritizes quality, featuring a system that ensures the lowest possible drop during the harvesting process, resulting in a clean and high-quality product. Moreover, the Ploeger uniquely accommodates up to 6 operators in its picking facility, significantly increasing efficiency and allowing for a swift and thorough harvesting operation. The Ploeger AR4 BX potato harvester combines advanced technology, ergonomic design, and unparalleled harvesting capacity, making it a top choice for farmers looking to optimize their root crop harvests with reliability and precision. The Kverneland 5387 MT Quattro-Link Triple Mower Conditioner is a cutting-edge agricultural machine designed for efficient and high-quality mowing of grass and forage crops. One of its standout features is its ability to achieve an above 90-degree transport position, ensuring safe and stable transport on roads and in fields. With an impressive 8.75-meter working width, it maximizes productivity by allowing farmers to cover more ground in less time. The machine is engineered for 500mm full-width ground clearance, enabling it to navigate rough terrain without compromising performance or causing damage to the crop. Equipped with semi-swing steel tine conditioning, the Kverneland effectively prepares the crop for drying by evenly distributing and aerating the material. This conditioning process helps speed up drying times, promoting higher quality forage. Additionally, the dual adjustment of the conditioner plate allows operators to customize the conditioning intensity to suit different crop types and conditions. The Kverneland 53887 MT Quattro-Link Triple Mower Conditioner combines advanced engineering and innovative features to deliver outstanding performance, making it an essential tool for modern farmers seeking efficiency and quality in their mowing operations. These futuristic machines are revolutionizing agriculture as we know it. From AI-powered fruit pickers to powerful tractors and harvesters, the future of farming looks brighter than ever. Which one would you like to see on your farm? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more incredible tech content.